Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're installing an ice machine for a commercial property. And as you can see here, it has two small ones. This is the old one, or one of them, and here was the second one. And we've got the little condenser. This is the black one is the condenser. That's the old one here. We just put that on top to kind of be able to put the legs on it. And we've got copper lines in here. You can see line sets. So we've got two new line sets. We've got two new line sets for the ice machine. It's going to go right here, and I'll make another video here in a few minutes. The one inside, the compressor went bad, so it died in about 15 years. So we're going to put a new one here. Call us for our AC, heating, refrigeration, and plumbing needs. 512-448-0532. 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay? See you guys in the next video.